my name's Elise, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a weekly vlog like the last couple videos, and I'm going to start off by making a loaf cat. So, let's get started! So this is how far we got done with our loaf cat, and I just got something from Amazon, so let's go unbox it. So I just got a new marker pad. Okay, now I'm going to open it and see. Okay, here it is. I'm super excited. This is the same marker pad I had before, but this one is brand new and I'm super excited. This marker pad will work very well for the alcohol markers I just got. And so if you want one, there's a link down below to Amazon to get one. Another thing I love about this marker pad is that it comes with this silicone sheet, and this just keeps any Sharpie or other marker from bleeding through just in case. This is what we have so far of our cat. So we've got some gold eyes that I just put in, and then we have the cute little tail, and we've got the 4 legs. I wanted to show you guys that I have finished my cat. I think he's so adorable, and I also added this little nose, and we already have the golden eyes, and so I really like him. Also, some of my friends wanted to learn how to make pipe cleaner flowers, so I'm going to be showing you in this quick tutorial. Okay, so I have my 2 pipe cleaners, and since this is just for example, I'm going to be using yellow for the stem and purple for the flower. First, we're going to make the stem. We're going to fold the pipe cleaner over just enough for how long we want the stem to be. So if it's this length, then the stem is going to be this long. Now we're going to take the pipe cleaner and wrap it around just like this and twist them up just like this all the way till we get the top. Now we're going to go back down halfway down the pipe cleaner. So now we're just wrapping around, and then we're going to go up and make a leaf shape just like this, and then at the bottom twist this back onto itself, so now it's tightened back on. So now we have the stem. Now taking our pipe cleaner that's purple, there is a small opening that you cannot see at the top of this, and so you're going to try your best to push this through, and if you can't, that's okay. You can also just take the middle of it and wrap it around and leave on tightly and tie it on, and then make the petals of the flower. So fold over and fold over with the other side. So now you have this, and then you're going to go down on both sides, on opposite sides, just like this. And so on this side, we're going to also make another loop for another leaf. And we can do this separately. And so now we're going to make the other petal and then wrap it around again. Fold over and push into the center. And we can just add that on and wrap it around one of the other petals. So now we have our petals, and then we can just stick this back through so that we can almost see it. And now we have the center of our flower. So this is how we make our pipe cleaner flower. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed creating more with me. I'll see you next time. Bye!